Hello guys! Ayan na po yung nabili natin na ano doon, oh. Binili ko na blender. Ayan. Yan. Bubuksan natin ito. Binili ko dito kay Adre para meron siyang magamit dito sa ano kasi nasira na yung blender.
Open it!
Ay, so open. Adre, open. Wow. Slowly, ha? Slowly. Wow. Put here. Yes! Ayan ang bagong blender ni Adre. Yan. Ito ang kanyang ano, oh. Ito ang kanyang warranty. Yan.
Remove the plastic.
Remove the plastic, please. Yes. Yan. Wala siyang maliit. Ito na binili ko kasi parang matibay ito eh. Yan. Ito pag nag-open ka na. Oh, meron siyang 2-in-1, 3-in-1 pero mayroon isa ibang klase yun eh.
When the blender
Ito na lang
starts,
binili ko.
when the blender starts, it spin around and make
Oh,
juice.
come here. What? When the blender start, what?
It spins.
What spin?
Then the juice will come out.
Okay.
Then
So?
you have to put inside like this.
Okay. So you know how to operate that one?
Like this. This button means you can push it.
Okay.
Then the juice will not spill out.
Okay. and
This
then-
one means you can put the juice out.
Okay.
If you make it like this, the juice will come out here. You have
Okay.
to put it inside
Put
here.
inside here. Okay. And next. And now I try. After finish your it, you will try. I try this blender. Okay. So
See? This
sit in
button?
here.
See this button?
Thank you.
See this? Wait.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
See this button?
Mhm, okay.
These
Okay.
are buttons.
Explain
You
it.
start this red means you can start the blender. This
Okay.
yellow you can start the blender.
Okay. And then that's good.
Then this one will spin around and make juice here. See
Okay.
that numbers? Which juice numbers do you have?
Oh wow.
Which-
Very good explanation, right?
Yeah.
See?
this one?
And this one, what is that?
This you can hold it and put juice inside.
Ay. And then
Then turn it around like this.
okay.
Then it put inside.
Wow.
This button, the red one,
Okay.
means you can start the blender. The
Okay.
yellow one means you can. Because
Okay.
there's zero on it.
Okay.
This one you can
Okay.
start the blender.
Okay.
This one you can.
This is, I
stop
think,
the blender.
on and off. This is start, no? And then this is off, right?
Yeah. Start
Okay.
and off. Start
Okay.
and off.
Okay. And then, what
This-
more?
These are. This is.
Okay. This one. So, yan. Yan, now explain ni Adre how to open it. This one, I think. This one, hold. Hold, this one can open this. Yeah, open. Open that one. You can open.
Not open.
Here. Maybe here. Oh, yeah. But we can open this one properly, no? Yeah?
It's not too easy.
Oh, siya.
See, it's broken.
This is broken? No broken.
It's not broken.
Oh, okay na. Bye-bye na. See you.
Bye bye. See you in my next vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Follow and
Subscribe.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.